In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the VWAP indicator to your chart on TradingView. Effortlessly integrating this tool into your trading process can significantly enhance your market analysis and boost your trading expertise. Let's dive into it. First, begin by opening your chart on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform that provides traders with a comprehensive set of tools for analyzing market data. Once you have your chart open, you'll want to draw your attention to the top toolbar. There, you'll find the Indicators button, which is marked with the symbol FX. Go ahead and click on that button. With the Indicators menu open, the next step is to search for VWAP. In the search bar provided, typing in VWAP will quickly lead you to the desired selection. The VWAP you're looking for is the built-in one, offered directly by TradingView, ensuring you have a reliable and accurate version of this tool on your chart. Now that you've successfully added the VWAP indicator to your chart, it's essential to understand what VWAP, or the volume weighted average price, represents. VWAP is the average price of the asset weighted by volume over a specified time frame. Intriguingly, VWAP resets at the start of each trading day. It stands as a crucial benchmark for traders, gauging the average trading price throughout the day. Many traders use VWAP to gain insights into the overall market trend and assess the asset's value relative to recent market activities. Understanding how to interpret VWAP can significantly affect your trading decisions. When the price of the asset is above the VWAP, it generally indicates a bullish sentiment, suggesting that traders are willing to pay a premium compared to the average price. Conversely, if the price is below the VWAP, it tends to signal bearish sentiment, where the asset is trading for less than its average price. Moreover, VWAP can act as a dynamic form of support or resistance, as the price often reacts around this line, bouncing off or breaking through it in alignment with market trends. Delving deeper into trading strategies, VWAP serves as a powerful tool for traders looking to confirm intraday trend directions. It offers valuable insight into entry and exit points. For instance, entering long trades when the price crosses above VWAP with strong volume can be a signal of continued bullish trends. On the flip side, you might consider exiting a position or